everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make something called ghost paper. And what it's going to be is basically you take a regular 8.5 by 11 and you take some glitter paper, whether it be this one, or even the silver. I'm going to use dark blue. And what you do is, I'm going to cut the paper on an angle here. So what's going to happen is this end will match up over here. And then what you do, you tape it together, but I will show you that. So first of all, what you want to do is go like this. We are done. So we flip that over like that. We go like this. It's not going to quite match up, but that's okay for the purpose of this video. Like that. Turn it around. Yes, it looks a little bit odd, but that's okay for the sake of this. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a jumbo marker like this one, and what you're going to do is take the big end and just go across the white paper like this. And the reason I call it ghost paper is because it's supposed to resemble what kind of paper you got. Yes, I know this is two different colors, but it works for what I need it for. Alright, this is now done. So, this is what ghost paper looks like. And the reason I call it ghost paper is because this right here is a glitter paper. This right here is supposed to resemble like a shadow of this. So basically, what happens is this is a former self of this. That's why it's called ghost paper. So this is the finished product. I used blue, as you can see, and this is the final product. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.